Myself, Dr. Somir De, teacher in charge and assistant professor of mathematics section under Department of Basic Science and Humanities. So this is the topic symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Paper name Mathematics 1A, paper code BSM 101, and this subject belongs to BTech first semester under branch Computer Science and Information Technology. Symmetric matrix. A square matrix, that is row number, column number are same. A square matrix A is said to be a symmetric matrix if A transpose is equals to A. So already you know A transpose means you should change row into columns. Okay. Now try to understand with some example. A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 3, 0, 7, 5, 7, 2. Then A transpose is equals to, this is matrix 1, 3, 5, 3, 0, 7, 5, 7, 2 as a transpose. So when you transpose it, so that means A transpose, that is first row, that is 1, 3, 5 is comes to the first column, 307 is comes to the second column, 307, and 572 is 572 column. So from it is clear that this matrix is similar to your original matrix. So from it is proof that A transpose is equals to A. Then A is called a symmetric matrix. Okay. So just you have to check whether your matrix symmetric or not. Just you have to check, transpose the matrix. If you get same matrix, then you can say your matrix is symmetric matrix. Now skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equals to minus A. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equals to minus A. Now let's try to understand with some example. A is equals to 0, 1, minus 8, minus 1, 0, 2, 8, minus 2, 0. Okay. Now if I transpose it, A transpose is equals to 0, 1, minus 8, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 8, minus 2, 0 transpose. When you transpose it, that means first row is represented as a first column, that is 1, 0, 1, minus 8 as a first column, 0, 1, minus 8. Second column, minus 1, 0, 2, that is minus 1, 0, 2 is second column. 8, minus 2, 0, that is 8, minus 2, 0 as a third column. Okay. So from it is clear, if I take minus common, what you have from here, that is 0, 1, minus 8, minus 1, 0, 2, and 8, minus 2, 0. So this matrix is nothing but A matrix. So that means you have minus A. Minus sign is here. So this is your A matrix and this is your A. So from it is clear that A transpose is equals to minus A. So therefore, the matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Another interesting point you can check A matrix. So without any verification, you can understand whether your matrix is symmetric or not. Try to understand the checking part portion. If your matrix is symmetric matrix, then you check, just accept this is your diagonal elements. Clear? Just you check diagonal, accept diagonal elements. The all elements are the mirror itself. That is 3, 3, this 5, 5, and 7, 7. Okay. If you can see any matrix except diagonal elements, except, so this is called diagonal element. This is called diagonal elements, except diagonal elements, except diagonal elements. If all elements are the image to itself, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, if yes, then you can say this matrix is a symmetric matrix, irrespective of your diagonal elements. Okay. Now, so this is the checking. Now, For skew symmetry matrix, just interesting point you can see, for a, if your matrix is symmetry matrix, skew symmetry matrix, all elements, all diagonal elements are 0. All diagonal element must be 0, as well as, just to check, the diagonal point wise, the point, that is elements, is a mirror itself with negative sign. Suppose 1 is here, its mirror image is 1 with negative sign. -8 is here, its mirror image is 8 and with the opposite sign, that is minus, it's become plus. These two as a plus, that is then its image, that is 2 with negative sign, just reverse sign. So from it is clear, if for symmetric skew symmetric matrix, all diagonal elements must be 0, all. But in case of symmetry matrix, there is no, all diagonal elements may not be 0, non-zero, but rest of the element should be in mirror image to itself. But in case of skew symmetry matrix, all are mirror image but with reverse sign. So try to understand, here it is a 1, reverse sign is -1. Here it is a -8, reverse sign is +8, and so on. But they are image. So similarly 2, -2. So this is the checking by which you can understand whether your matrix is symmetric or skew symmetry matrix. I repeat once again, in symmetry matrix, except diagonal elements, all elements should be a mirror image. And in skew symmetry matrix, all diagonal elements must be equal to 0, all, and mirror image with reverse sign. Now some properties. If A and B be two symmetric matrices of the same order, then A plus B is a symmetric matrix. The product of AB of two symmetric matrices A and B same order is symmetric if and only if AB is equals to BA. A transpose, number 3, A transpose, A transpose and A transpose A are both symmetric for every matrix A of order m cross n. If number 4, if A be a square matrix, then A transpose, A plus A transpose is a symmetry matrix, and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetry matrix. This is also very, very important property. Number 5, a real or complex square matrix can be uniquely expressed as a sum of a symmetry matrix and a skew symmetry matrix. So number 5 is very, very important. You can expect one question from here. And number 6, if A is a skew symmetry matrix, then A square is a symmetry matrix. I repeat once again from properties, if AB be two symmetry matrices of same order, then A plus B is a symmetry matrix. The product AB of a symmetry matrix is also a symmetry matrix provided if and only if AB is equal to BA. Number 3, A transpose and A transpose A are both symmetric for every square matrix A of order m cross n. Number 4, if AB a square matrix, then A plus A transpose is a symmetry matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetry matrix. Number 5, a real or complex square matrix can be uniquely expressed as a sum of a symmetry matrix and a skew symmetry matrix. This is very, very important. Now, if A, number 6, if A is a skew symmetry matrix, then A in A square is a symmetry matrix. These are the important property. Now, this is a very important property, important proof that P transpose AP is a symmetric or skew symmetric matrix according to as A is symmetric or skew symmetric matrix. Let's see. Now P transpose AP whole transpose is equals to P transpose AP whole transpose. AP already you know. AP whole transpose, P transpose whole transpose. From where you have this? Very simple. So already you know from the matrix transpose property matrix, that is AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose A transpose. Already you know the property. Okay, so I am using the same same thing. This is A, this is B, so that means AP whole transpose P transpose transpose. What is AP whole transpose? Means P transpose N transpose P. So ultimately what we have, P transpose A transpose P. This is number one. If A is symmetric, so that means A transpose is equals to A. So from one you may write P transpose A transpose whole transpose is equals to P transpose AP. So that means this A transpose is replaced here. Okay, A transpose is equals to A. So if I replace here, that is P transpose A whole transpose is equals to P transpose. So therefore P transpose AP is symmetric matrix. You are getting the same matrix. Now as A is skew symmetric matrix, that is A transpose is equals to minus A. From 1 P transpose AP, that is you may write minus P transpose AP. So that means P transpose AP whole transpose is equals to minus P transpose AP. So that means P transpose AP is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so this is also a very good question. You can expect theoretical question from here. Now express A is equals to express A4 6 minus 3 8 as a sum of symmetry matrix and a skew symmetry matrix. The given matrix A is equals to 4 6 minus 3 8. Let A is equals to P plus Q, where P is a symmetry matrix, that is P transpose is equals to P, and Q is a skew symmetry matrix, that is Q transpose is equals to minus Q. Now A transpose is equals to P plus Q whole transpose is equals to A transpose is equals to P transpose plus Q transpose. What is P transpose? P transpose is equals to P. What is Q transpose? Q transpose is equals to minus Q. So from it is clear that A plus A is equals to, from equation number 1, A is equals to P plus Q, and from equation number 2, A transpose is equals to P minus Q. If I add 1 plus 2, what do we have? That is P is equals to half of A plus A transpose. If I subtract 1 minus 2, that is we have Q is equals to half of A transpose A minus A transpose. Okay, so from here it is clear, that is what is your P, what is your Q. So your A can be written as P is equals to half of A plus A transpose. What is half? Half adjustment. What is A? 4 6 minus 3 8. 4 6 minus 3 8 transpose. Now what you have, 4 6 minus 3 8, you reverse it, that is this row converted as a column, that is 4 minus 4 6 and minus 3 8. When you add all together, we have half is adjusted with outside, that is 8 3 and 3 16, that is P is equals to this. Now P transpose is equals to how much? P transpose, now you have to check whether your P is symmetric or not. P transpose is equals to half 8 3 3 16. If I transpose it, what you have, that is half 8 3 3 16, that is equals to P, that is P transpose is equals to P. So therefore that is P is a symmetric matrix. P is a symmetric matrix. Similarly, Q is equals to half A minus A transpose. Half A, what is A? 4 6 minus 3 8. A transpose 4 6 minus 3 8 transpose, that is 4 6 minus 3 8 minus of 4 minus 3 6 8, that is after transposing it. After simplification, what we have, 0 0 0 9 minus 9 0. So from it is clear that diagonal elements all are 0. Okay, now Q transpose is equals to half of 0 9 minus 9 0, that is half 0 minus 9 9 0 minus adjusted, that is 1 0 0 9, and minus 9 0, that is minus q. So from it is clear that q is a skew symmetric matrix. Now from 1 it is clear that p is equals to p plus q. So you may write p a is equals to p plus q. So what is a? That is 4 6 minus 3 8. What is p? That is half 8 3 3 16. And what is q? Plus half 0 9 minus 9 0. So from it is clear that the square matrix A can be uniquely expressed as a sum of symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. This is symmetric and skew. Okay, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Hence the result. Now try to check whether same wise. Suppose you have a 3 cross 3 matrix, then what you do? Express same logic. Express A, that is 4 5 1 3 7 2 1 6 8 as a sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Logic same. The given matrix A is equals to 4 5 1 3 7 2 1 6 8, where let A is equals to P plus Q as equation number 1, where P is a symmetric matrix, that is P transpose is equals to P, and Q is a skew symmetric matrix, that is Q transpose is equals to minus Q. That is now A transpose is equals to P plus whole transpose Q whole transpose is equals to P transpose plus Q transpose. So P transpose is equals to P, Q transpose is equals to minus Q. So this is number equation number 2, that is A transpose is equals to P minus Q. This is equation number 2. If I substitute the 1 plus 2, that is 1 plus 2, that is P is equals to half of A plus A transpose, and 1 minus Q, 1 minus 2, that is Q is equals to half of A minus A transpose. Okay, that is what is P? P is here, Q is here. Now P, let's see, P is equals to half of A plus A transpose, that is half 4 5 1 3 7 1 2 1 6 8 plus 4 5 1 3 7 2 1 6 8. Thus transpose it. After simplification, what you have? 4 5 1 3 7 2 1 6 8 transpose. After transposing, you have 3 4 3 1 5 7 6 1 2 8. After addition, you have half of 8 8 2 8 60 14 8 2 8 16. 2 cancel it, that is 4 4 1 4 7 8 and 1 4 8. Without any checking, you can check except diagonal elements, all elements in the mirror image. Okay, now let's see, P transpose is equals to 4 4 1 4 7 4 1 7 8 transpose 4 4 1 4 7 4 1 4 8, ultimately P. So that means your P is a symmetric matrix. P is a symmetric, very simple. First you have to transpose is, then you have transpose means row interchange of column. When you simplify, you have this. Okay, now the Q is equals to half of A minus A transpose, half A, this is A matrix, this is A transpose, that is 4 5 1 3 7 2 1 6 8, and the 4 5 1 3 7 2 1 6 8 transpose it. Then 4 5 1 3 7 2 1 6 8 minus 4 3 1 1 7 8 0 1 2 8. After some subtraction, what you have? 0 2 0 minus 2 0 minus 4 0 4 0. After adjusting with half, then you have 0 1 0 minus 2 0 2 and 0 0 2 0. Just you can check, it is a symmetric matrix. All diagonal elements are 0, and the rest of the position with the reverse sign, with negative reverse sign for the element. As you can check, Q transpose is equals to 1 0 1 sorry 0 1 0 0 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 2 0 2 0. That is if I transpose it, 0 minus 1 0 1 0 2 0 minus 2 0. That is if I take minus common, 0 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 2 0 2 0. That is Q, that is minus Q. So therefore Q is a skew symmetric matrix. So already I already know, without any checking, without any transpose, you can see, we can say this is a skew symmetric matrix, that is principal diagonal element should be equal to 0. all diagonal elements should be 0 and the rest of the elements should be just mirror image with opposite sign, like 1 -1 0 0 no change, and -2 2. Okay, now from 1 we are it is clear that a is equals to p plus q, that is 451 372 168 is equals to 441 474148 plus 0 1 0 -1 0 -2 0 2 0. So from it is clear this is symmetry matrix, this is symmetric matrix, and this is skew symmetric matrix. This is symmetry matrix, and this is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so try to solve similar type of question. Thank you.